Hello family, you're welcome back, and this is one of my kids' favorite food. So let's dive right in a pot. I added water, the flavored oil, and this will just take your noodles to another level, like seriously. So I added flavored oil, a little bit of curry, and the spice of the noodles, and the African grounded pepper. Then I put in the noodles, cover it up, and let it cook for about 2 minutes. And once that is cooked, I just pour in the spinach. My kids love spinach and noodles. And then I just turn it together, and after I'm done stirring that together, and I let it cook for like 1 more minute, and we're done. Take a look at these noodles and tell me you're not hungry right now. So yeah, that's all that I have for y'all today. See you in my next video. Bye.